Good morning, student. As yesterday we have discussing so many disadvantages of plastics. Today we are discuss plastic and its effects on environment. As we know, plastic bags are non-biodegradable. People throw away plastic bags very carelessly on the roads. This may choke the drains and affect the sewage system, causing water to overflow, especially during monsoon season. In this stagnant water, mosquito also breed in choked drains, causing disease like malaria and dengue. Disposal of plastic is a major problem. Why? According to degradation of material in the environment, they are classified into two groups: biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable, a material which decomposes through natural process such as action by bacteria, is called biodegradable. A non-biodegradable material which is not easily decomposed by natural process is termed as non-biodegradable. For knowing nature of the material, whether it is biodegradable or non-biodegradable, look at the table carefully. Here we have discussed three types of headings: type of waste, approximate time taken to degenerate, and nature of the material. First, peels of vegetables, fruits, leftover food stuff, etc. This is kitchen waste. Their approximate time to degeneration is about 1 to 2 weeks, and nature of the material is biodegradable. Second thing is paper, which is also a plant product. It takes 10 to 30 days for regeneration, and nature of material is biodegradable. Third is cotton clothes. It takes 2 to 5 months to degenerate because cotton is also a natural fiber and it is obtained from the plant. The nature of material is also biodegradable. Fourth is wood. It takes 10 to 15 years to degenerate, but nature is biodegradable. Fifth is woolen clothes. Wool is also obtained from the animal like sheep, and it is also a natural fiber. It takes about a year to degenerate, but nature of material is biodegradable. Tin, aluminium and other metal cans take 100 to 500 years to degenerate, and nature of material is also non-biodegradable. Last one is plastic bags. As you know, plastic takes several years, but its nature of material is non-biodegradable. Since plastic takes several years to decompose, it is not environment friendly. It causes environmental pollution. Besides, the burning process in synthetic material is quite slow, and during its burning, it releases a highly poisonous gas. It does not get completely burnt easily. It liberates the ethene gas because polythene is a polymer of ethene molecule. It releases lots of poisonous fumes into atmosphere, causing air pollution. Thank you.